In this video, I am going to teach you about the small intestine, which is the site of the complete digestion of carbohydrate. Complete digestion of carbohydrate. Okay. Then proteins and fats. Okay, as you all know that small intestine is the place where the complete digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats takes place. So let us see that what are the secretions which small intestine receives. Okay, so let us talk about the number one secretion which it receives. Number one secretion is the secretion of the liver. Okay, then after that, next secretion is secretion of pancreas. Okay, then other than this, the secretion of the liver, the secretion of the pancreas, small intestine having their own juice also, so we call it as intestinal juice. Okay, this intestinal juice also we call it as succus entericus. Okay, got it all of you? So now let us discuss about number one, the secretion of liver, what it do, then secretion of pancreas, then we will talk about the intestinal juice or succus entericus. Okay, so let us take number one, that is bile juice. So what happened in bile juice? As you all know, just I said, it comes from the liver. Okay class, it comes from the liver and acts on fats. Okay, when bile juice acts on fats, we call this as a phenomenon, as a particular phenomenon. We call it as emulsification. That is, when bile juice acts on fats, breaks down the fat. So this process we call it as emulsification. Okay, so now next point, bile juice contain no enzyme. Okay, bile juice, this point all of you keep in your mind, that bile juice contain no enzyme. इस पॉइंट से क्वेश्चन भी आता है, 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन भी बनता है, बाइल जूस कंटेन नो एंजाइम. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग देखेंगे नेक्स्ट. बाइल जूस का एंजाइम तो नहीं है, तो ऑब्वियसली एंजाइम अगर नहीं है तो इट हैज़ नो एक्शन ऑन प्रोटीन. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट we will talk about that is pancreas. So pancreas, it secretes pancreatic juice. You must have studied about pancreatic juice, and this pancreatic juice, it consists of this pancreatic juice. इसको थोड़ा शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं. दिखाई देगा आपको अच्छे से. कंसिस्ट ऑफ, कंटेन ट्रिप्सिन. एक मैंने एंजाइम का नाम लिया अभी, ट्रिप्सिन. Trypsin, okay. Then after that trypsin, one more enzyme is present from the pancreatic juice, and that name of the enzyme is, I am writing over here, that is lipase. Okay class, lipase. So trypsin is for the digestion of, this is for the digestion of protein. Okay, this is for the digestion of protein. And what is the role of lipase? Lipase do the same process that I have given in bile juice, emulsification. It emulsified fats. Got it all of you? Now, one more thing I want to discuss over here, that pancreatic juice. Okay, this is a common duct. That is common duct from the pancreas. Hepato derives from the word that is liver, and pancreatic derives from the word that is pancreas. So it brings the juice, the bile juice, and pancreatic duct brings the pancreatic juice. पैनक्रियाटिक जूस. ओके, अगर इसको मैं ड्रॉ करके आप लोग को दिखाऊं तो आप लोग आराम से इजीली आप लोग समझ पाएंगे इसको. यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे एक कॉमन डक्ट है. ये फॉर एग्जांपल ये कॉमन डक्ट आ रहा है जो कि गॉल ब्लैडर से आ रहा है. ठीक है, फिर यहाँ पर एक डक्ट आ रहा है जो कि लीवर से आ रहा है. ठीक है, फिर ये डक्ट जो है कॉमन हेपाटोपैनक्रियास से पहले यहाँ पे एक डक्ट है जो कि डक्ट आ रहा है आपका पैनक्रियास से. ठीक है, और फिर ये यहाँ पर एक कॉमन डक्ट बना लेगा. ये वाला हिस्सा ये कॉमन डक्ट बनाएगा जिसको कि हमने हेपाटोपैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट बोला. एंड दे पोर देयर सेक्रीशंस दिस थ्रू दिस हेपाटोपैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट इनटू द पार्ट वी कॉल इट एज duodenum, which is C-shaped part. C-shaped. Okay, so it pours, the hepatopancreatic duct pours its secretion into the duodenum part. This is the duodenum part, that is the first part of the small intestine. Okay,